to upload a file using Selenium in Python. So this is the web application, which is the demo site in which we would upload a file. So let's start. So in Selenium in Python, first we need to know is where the file is present. So currently the file is present, the test.txt is present in this directory. So to get the path of this particular file, we will use the path module in Python. So this path module is supported from 3.7, so it is not supported in 2.7. So use this path module and get the current directory path of the file which we're going to upload. So if I run this, so you will get this particular directory in which the file is present. So that is needed for as an input to upload. So first we will get that. So we use this particular command to get the current directory path, and once that's done, so we would instantiate Selenium WebDriver, so using this command, and we would go to the URL of the demo website. So that is what this two code is doing. So then we would locate the element in the demo website using the XPath. So the XPath of that is present here, and then once we locate it, we use this command to verify that element is present or not in the particular website. Okay, so once that's done, so to upload a file, this is the command, which is send -keys. So and you give the file location of the particular file where it is present, so which we already got over here. Okay, so once you send the keys, you can check that the particular file has been uploaded. So we will run a demo on it, and then once it's done, you verify the file upload is successful or not. Okay, so what this does is, once the file is uploaded, there would be a particular message in the UI which states that download this particular file is present. So you will identify the element and verify that element is displayed or not. So that is how we upload a file using Python and Selenium. So I'll run this, and this is to quit. So the file is getting uploaded, and you can see download test.txt is present once the file is uploaded, and then it quits. So that's how we can upload a file using Selenium in Python. Thanks a lot.